What's happening?
Welcome back to the green scene.
We in this thing.
My name is Tawana.
That's Tawana.
And that's my baby over there.
I'm Aunt G.
Yes, y'all. And we are back with some J-Hope Airplane. We already seen Airplane 2, the live performance.
Yeah.
So now we're going to check out the first Airplane.
Yeah, everybody was like, how you going to do Airplane 2 and you ain't do 1?
Hey.
So.
We got requests on it, so we did it. Sorry.
Love you.
Yeah, but we in this thing, y'all.
Oh, all the way in this thing. Deep off in it. You said it because I didn't say it?
Mm-hmm.
Watch this. She think I didn't say it. I've been telling her she don't be paying attention.
You said
so
it?
So we're going to leave it on there. We're going to let her go back and watch the
Oh.
video. Or as Jerry Jones will say, the video. You ready?
Yes, let's get into it.
I hope this is as cool
J-Hope.
as Daydream. Because Daydream was dope.
Right. Mm-hmm. That's a pretty view.
It is. Where is it, y'all? Is that Korea?
Turn up just a little bit more.
It's that Porsche 944 right there. You sure? Turn it up.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. I'm sorry, like, I'm taking all this in, but, you know, this is still something that's going on the other side of the world from us. So on top of it being cool music, something I'm interested in, I have questions. So he's talking about his first time going to Japan. Like, how far is Korea from Japan, right? And then how different is it as far as cultures go? Is it like a huge difference? Is it, he's talking about having butterflies going over there for the first time. So it's just, you know. I just want to know more about what he was going through, you know. Why?
So leave it in the comment section.
Me too, man. That's what you do.
Okay, no champagne in my airplane.
Pinkies up.
What? Your pinky? What? Oh, what?
It was a fly. Okay, it was a burp.
You're nasty.
It wasn't mine.
You're nasty.
No, okay. I like that. Man, I tell you.
When we get our airplane,
Man.
we're playing this song.
For real. Like, if you got an airplane and you ain't playing that song, you ain't doing it right. That's sweet.
I love how simple it was. I think this is the most simplest video that I've seen from this group.
Yeah, well, this is his solo, but even that,
the Daydream was like, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
I liked it. It went with the song, like it was just all about him.
I think, like you could tell that he was reflecting on the past or what he was talking about, and the way the video was shot kind of helped paint that picture of, man, you just got J-Hope out here looking amongst the clouds, looking over the city or the different views he was at, kind of just thinking about what he went through back then or what he remembered.
Can't wait till we can do that.
Or how people talking shit about him. Why you talking shit about J-Hope, man? Leave him alone. Go daydream somewhere. Get you some business. Get you some.
I agree.
Man, well, that's dope, man. Hey.
Liked it. I liked all the cuss words. I loved it all.
I
think cuss words make things better. I don't know. Get your point across.
Yeah. Already. What else you got?
And he looked pretty cute in there, too.
Here she go. You've been real attracting.
Real attracting?
Something. I'm going to cut that out. Because that doesn't sound close to right. You've been real attracted to dudes tonight on these videos. Next video reaction, her ass going to be blindfolded. She got to do her reactions blindfolded.
Sound real good.
Is that RM? That sound like RM dancing.
You are crazy. So if you all have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. We appreciate each and every one of you. I am going to go play this, well, tomorrow on my way to work. I am going to go play this in a couple.
Hey, y'all, tell them.
What?
She back at work.
Oh, yeah, they don't want to hear about that.
Well, they probably want to know why the videos ain't coming out like they used to.
Oh, well, yeah. We're trying to get a schedule together, y'all. So be patient with us, please.
Yeah, we both back full time now. Woo!
Yeah.
We're going to make it happen, though, because we enjoy doing it. So,
exactly.
Enjoy doing it, keep making it happen.
Yes. So, if you made it to the end of this video, what did baby just tell we y'all?
Tell we y'all.
Tell we y'all.
Already.
And the answer is that I went back to work.
Yeah.
Okay. So, also, if you have already subscribed to our channel, thank y'all so much. Also.
No, if you haven't already subscribed.
No, it ain't.
Oh, okay. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm just talking.
We've done so many videos.
I know.
And you cutting me off.
I love you. That's what lovers do.
No, they don't. Lovers be patient. Lovers wait their turn. Lovers love.
I love you, babe.
I love you too.
Now finish this video.
Yes. So, like I was saying, if you've subscribed, thank you so much. We appreciate each and every one of you. Welcome to the Greenie family.
Yeah.
And if you have not subscribed, please do. There is a red rectangle over there and it says subscribe in the box. If you could click on that, and then next to it is a little bell. I was trying to go fast, but it ain't working. And then click on that bell, and then there's a little parentheses around that. That means when we upload a video, you'll receive it to your cell phone, your tablet, your mobile, yeah, all of that stuff. And then also, like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below if you want us to react to any other videos, and we'll be happy to do so.
Yeah.
Peace.
The Green Scene. The Green Scene. The Green Scene. The Green Scene.